In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have the Make app installed inside your HubSpot account so you can start building automations with confidence. First, open your HubSpot account and look toward the top of the screen for the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol, usually in the main navigation bar. Click that to open your account settings area. This is where you manage everything from users and preferences to, in our case, integrations. Inside settings, find the section labeled Integrations. If you don't see it right away, use the left-hand sidebar search or expand the menu. Click Integrations to open the tools that let HubSpot talk to other platforms. If your account has restricted permissions, you may need an admin to follow along because installing apps requires the right level of access. Next, click Connected Apps. This page shows what's already installed on your portal and is the quickest way to verify integrations later. It's also the jumping off point to find new apps. Now, click. Go to App Marketplace. This opens HubSpot's official marketplace where you can browse pre-built integrations. Using the marketplace is recommended because listings are vetted. You can read details about permissions and updates come through officially. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Make. Make is an automation platform that helps you move data between tools and orchestrate workflows without code. Typing the full word will surface the official listing more reliably than partial terms. From the results, click the listing for Make. On the listing page, you'll see an overview of what the integration does, the features it supports, and the permissions it requests. Take a moment to review the scope so you understand what data Make will be able to access. If your organization has compliance requirements, this is a good time to align with your admin or security team. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a short authorization flow. You may be prompted to select the HubSpot account if you have access to multiple portals, and then to approve the requested permissions. Confirm the prompts to proceed. Installation typically takes just a moment. If anything is blocked, double-check your user permissions or try again in an incognito window to avoid browser caching issues. After installation completes, you can return to Connected Apps to confirm that Make appears in your list. Seeing it there means HubSpot recognizes the integration and it's ready for you to use within your automation workflows in Make. That's it. You've successfully connected Make to HubSpot.